So I heard that y'all had a hot girl summer without me. But what happens after the chlorine, after you've been surfing in the aisles of Turks and Caicos? What happens after you've bleached your hair? You need a two-step protein treatment. What a two-step protein treatment does is add all of the nourishment back to your hair, because your hair literally is protein. Google if you don't believe me. So this is a very inexpensive way, as opposed to going to the hair salon and paying $70-$80 for a protein treatment and just doing it at home. I'm only using two brands. This one is Jazzling, and that is the pink bottle that I showed you. That's just a clear glaze, and everything else is by Aphogee. It literally says two-step protein treatment. You add it to your hair. This is damp hair after I have shampooed, so this is the in-between step for me. So I've shampooed my hair, rinsed it out, and now I'm about to do the protein treatment. It kind of acts as a crystallizing, I guess, like effect for your hair. When you put it on, it becomes white, and eventually it will stiffen up really well. Rule of thumb, don't ever comb your hair out when you have a protein treatment in, because you will rip out every single strand in your hair. No, it's never happened to me, but I can only imagine something that stiff. If you try to comb it out, it just won't work well for you. After I rinse it out, my hair actually looks lighter, in my opinion, and it has a sheen to it, and that is from the Jazzling. So now I'm going in and I'm using two products, my balancing moisturizer. There is a sample packet available, but I do protein treatments about 3 or 4 times a year, so I just buy the big bottle. But I just wanted to show you guys how affordable it can be, and if you just want to try it out, there's a sample packet. I'm going in and I'm finger detangling, because that's the best thing you can do as a natural, is to finger detangle your hair after having it in braids, or if you had, you wear it in a bun for a couple days in a row. That's the best thing you can do as a natural, is to get rid of all of those tangles with your finger as opposed to a comb. Now for me, it did set a 2-minute keratin reconstructive cream, right? But I always leave in my conditioners for way longer than 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna do some errands, but I want to look cute doing it. So I'm gonna put this in a bun, and I'm gonna focus on my halo, because that's where the tension and gel goes a lot. So I like to focus on that. And I end up with a really cute hairstyle. Like, y'all have seen me with this hairstyle at ShopRite at 11 o'clock at night. Like, stop playing. I look cute. Shut up. I'm cute. I know my hair looks really wild right now, but trust me, it's gonna come out great. Like, protein treatments are the best thing ever invented. I'm sectioning my hair up right now because I want to put it in 3 different parts, and I'm gonna use some growth serum, and I'll explain why in just a minute. It's gonna get real up close and personal. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, she's being so transparent. Like, yes, because I love y'all. Okay, so here's the seriousness. I have noticed over the years that, women tend to lose hair just the same way as men. It isn't as apparent in women. So I have this one patch. It's called temple baldness. And I noticed that I'm losing some hair. Like, there it goes if you don't believe me. It's in there. And most women either start balding in the middle or at their temples. For me, genetically, it's at my temples. So I'm going to use my growth serum and really massage that in so that my temple is stimulated to start growing hair. Also, after you do a protein treatment, I recommend that you trim your edges, because your ends, not your edges, wow, your ends, so that your hair is just all around healthy. I wake up, I take out my twists, and I'm ready to go. Like, I'm so happy with these results. It's a bit tight, but shrinkage is real. Just remember, drink water, mind your business, and grow your hair. Peace, y'all. See you next time.